The linkage within our South Asian region have a very strong people-to-people component. Even though the region is around 3.5% of the world's land surface area, it hosts around one-fourth of the global population. Thus, the voice of South Asia is not only a regional voice, but holds significance in the global conversation. Within this region, our two countries, Nepal and India, share a strong relationship with multiple linkages. Our multi-dimensional relationship is built on strong socio-economic, cultural, historical, and religious ties. Nepal and the bordering state of India have similar ecosystems, climate, and agricultural conditions. More importantly, there is a great deal of socio-cultural commonality and contiguity. There is also a shared desire for social change through social justice, development, and the elimination of poverty. We remain hopeful that Nepal-India relations will continue to focus on matters relating to trade, connectivity, tourism, and other positive linkages to reflect shared prosperity. The access to large economies in our neighborhood, in addition to our own natural resources and youthful population, will help hopefully usher in a new era of development, prosperity, and social change. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Nepal has gone through enormous social and political change over the last several decades. The Nepali people and society have manifested through their efforts to eliminate inequalities and build a better society. Social change, however, is a continuous process, and therefore our efforts to strive for a better society continue in an undiminished manner. Nepal continues to empower historically disadvantaged groups in its embrace of diversity. The principles of inclusivity, secularism, federalism, gender equality, access to education, among others, have allowed for a vibrant society to function within Nepal. This social transformation is a testament of the Nepali people's desire to ensure positive social change in the country. Nepal is today more connected with the global world. Once a rural agrarian society, we are now seeing significant transformation through extensive and often permanent out-migration. At the same time, technology and other forms of connectivity have also caused significant change, both positive and negative, in the social fabric. Therefore, our discussions around social change in Nepal and India and beyond must assess the impact of technology. Further, it is important to consider questions pertaining to political economy, history, and our location in the global economic system. These are all interlinked issues and cannot be studied in isolation. Understanding social change also requires examination of social structures and institutions over a period of time to gain a more accurate picture. Distinguished guests, social change is by its nature complex and driven by economic, ideological, and political movements. It also evolves through different means, including technological change, connectivity, and globalization. The role of class analysis as well as the market dynamics in shaping lives and livelihoods, particularly in our region, make them important factors as well. Nepal's transformation from a state of economic and political underdevelopment to a stable political system intent on high economic growth trajectory, economic development and prosperity, and the fulfillment of development goals reflects a consistent political path push for positive socio-economic change in Nepali society. The challenge, however, is to ensure that the economic growth benefits all sections of the society and contributes to positive change.